The first method for upgrading MikroTik OS is through Winbox, which requires an active internet connection. This approach facilitates a seamless update process via the software's interface. Before proceeding with the upgrade, it is essential to verify the current OS version and device architecture. Ensuring compatibility with the new version is crucial to prevent potential system issues. For those opting for manual installation, users must download the appropriate OS version file directly onto the MikroTik device. This method offers more control over the installation process. Downloading the latest OS version is vital for sustaining optimal router performance. The video specifically demonstrates how to locate and download version 49.7. Additionally, the video outlines two methods for transferring files to Winbox: copy-pasting and direct uploading. Each method is illustrated for enhanced comprehension. Emphasis is placed on managing file sizes during the update. Users should delete unnecessary files to mitigate potential issues during the upgrade process. Various methods for downgrading or upgrading the software version are also discussed. The speaker clarifies that there is an automatic process available for reverting to an earlier version if necessary. The speaker details the steps to reset configurations while retaining user settings. This procedure ensures a fresh start with the latest version without losing essential configurations. Finally, caution is advised against improper shutdowns. Emphasizing the significance of adhering to correct shutdown procedures can help avoid errors and prevent potential hardware damage.